Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Anjali and these are the headlines. Chikalim Gram Sabha upset over issuing of construction licenses without checking about infrastructure in village. Benauli MLA Churchill Alamau says Congress has till end of month to decide on alliance. Dr. Valanka is surely contesting from Naveli. Goa to get light to moderate rain, thunder showers at isolated places on 24th and 25th. Dry weather for 3 days starting from 26th. And now for the news in detail. It is almost like deja vu. Many years back, villagers were very angry that licenses were being given without proper infrastructure being put in place. Looks as if things have not changed much since then. On Sunday, the Chikali Gram Sabha hotly debated mega projects and the issuing of construction licenses in villages without proper infrastructure. Here's more.
Gram Sabha members were quite upset that construction licenses were being given even though there was no proper infrastructure like sewerage plants, proper garbage collections and disposal, added to the almost perennial water problems and erratic electricity.
The order of the NGT of 2019, the Director of Panchayat and Director the BDO to issue instructions to all the Panchayat not to give construction licenses or occupancy certificates for dwelling units where there are more than 4 units and industrial units where there is more than 200 square meters. Now, in spite of this, the Panchayat has gone ahead and given permissions, hundreds of permissions, by disobeying the order of the NGT and the Director of Panchayat. This is contempt and this is creating all the problem for the villagers, and we are suffering all this because there is no proper infrastructure in place. Solid waste management institutes are not ready, they are not updated, not beefed up. Even our plant is not ready up to now.
It was a very disappointing Gram Sabha सामकी कॉल न्हू आनी तेतूंत पळय सरपंचान म्हणलें की आमची पंचायती कडेन पयस ना कसलें मेंटेनन्स काम करपाक वॉज वेरी शॉकिंग कित्याक आमकां दिसता की पंचायत मिनिस्टर आसलेले पंचायतीन गांवांत तर पंचायती कडेन पयस ना मेंटेनन्स करपाक जाल्यार आनी आमी पंचायत आसून फायदो कितें आनी कोणाक फायद्या लागून ती पंचायत चलता हें आमकां चलपना तांणी पॉयंट आवट केलें की सिवेजीक लागून हें सोल्युशन ना आनी पंचायत तेजेर आमकां कसलें सोल्युशन दिवपाक तयार ना तांकडेय जापाक ना आनी तरी पूण ते बिल्डिंगेक परमिशन दीत आहा आमी सांगत आहा तांकां की परमिशन बंद दवरा कॅपॅसिटी लोड आमची गांवचो कितलो आहा तो फायंड आवट करा पूण ते करनासतना परमिशन पळय ती लेफ्ट रायट एंड सेंटर दिता न्हू तें चुकीचें.
प्रोजेक्ट सगळ्याक येता एंड ऑल दीज मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स इट इज नॉट आम आदमी म्हणजे तांचे कडेन विकते घेवपाक जायना. दीज आर ऑल रिच पीपल, दे हॅव कट प्लॅटोज हिल्स सगळे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स आयल्या एंड ऑल द सुवेज इज कमिंग डावन, इट इज गोईंग इन टू द ग्राउंड बिकॉज द STP plants are not working. So the committee members or rather the people in the Gram Sabha एक डिमांड केला सगळे STP plant कितले इन्स्पेक्ट करप बिकॉज almost every STP plant has failed. Second was हालींच few weeks back, Panchayat Minister, who is also MLA of Dabuli, Mr. Momin Gudino, has announced हांगा लागींच इन्स्पेक्शन केला की एक व्हडलें STP प्लांट घालपाक. हे STP प्लांट कोणाक?
2 वर्सां जायत आमची ग्राम सभा जावना लोकांले जायते इश्यूज आहलेले देखो आज खूबशे प्रपोजल आहलेले आमी बरे भाशेन डिस्कस केले सगळ्यांनी बरें कॉपरेशन दिलें ग्रामसभा मेंबरांनी आमी ते कडेन डिस्कशन करून बरे भाशेन सॉर्ट आवट करपाक ट्राय केलें जे आमचे हातीन कितें पावर्स आहाय इवन कन्स्ट्रक्शन जावं सिवेज जावं ड्रेन जावं ते बरे भाशेन डिस्कस केलो जे आमकां पंचायतीक कितें पावर आहाय ते आमी घेयले कित्याक कन्स्ट्रक्शन म्हणल्यार तूं चोय कन्स्ट्रक्शन म्हणल्यार ताका आमच्या काय आनी व्हडली ऑथॉरिटी PDA आसता ते आर द टॅक्निकल बॉडी सो ते थिंगासून जेन्ना कन्स्ट्रक्शन फायल पास जावन येता आमी ती बेश्टी ओपोज करूंक जायना वो ती आमी पेंडींग दवरूंक जायना.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Chikalim.
NCP's lone MLA sitting Benauli MLA Churchill Alamau said that he was giving the Congress till the end of this month as they had asked to decide on an alliance, or if not he will start his campaigning as NCP. He also reiterated that his daughter Valanka would be contesting in Naveli even if she had to stand as an independent.
Churchill said that he had a meeting with the NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar and Praful Patel on the situation in Goa. He said that he had been called to Mumbai because of some statements he had made on the Goa political situation. He reiterated that he was with the NCP even as he admitted that the TMC had approached him.
राव म्हणे हांवें म्हाजे म्हणे हांव आनी 10 दीस दिता मागीर आमगे डिसिजन घेता म्हणून आमी डिसिजन घेयलें आमी डिसिजन घेवन म्हणून तें कितें जालें ते बील मुसता हांव एनसीपी सोडलो म्हणून हांव एनसीपी सोडूंक ना न्हू हांव आय कॅन लीव द एनसीपी पूण हांवें 10 दिसांचो टायम दिला म्हाका आनी हांवें कित्याक तुमी पोतून तूं हें मागताय अलायन्स आमी एनसीपी या पळय मुगे चिंतप आहलें तशें म्हण हांवें मुगे टायमाचेर हांवें म्हळें आतां एनसीपीचें काम कमी करूं मुगेलें बरोवन म्हणाल्यार तूं एनसीपी सोड म्हण ना हांव एनसीपी कितें सोड हांव आय कॅन लीव द एनसीपी वॉट एनसीपी सोड ना वाय नॉट गिवींग एनदर गव्हर्मेंट कित्याक दिना आमकां हांवें म्हळें चोय कित्याक लागून तुमी भाशेन तो टायम घेता तो म्हणून जायत पार्टी येयले सो केन्ना देखून आमी लोकां कडेन वचपाचें कितें म्हणून सो आमी तेका लागून म्हणलें ते वचून हांवें घेयलें हांव एनसीपी बसता म्हणून तो म्हळ्यार म्हाका लागून आनी एक म्हयनो आमी दी म्हणजे हो म्हयनो दी आमकां मागीर आमी एनसीपी जाल्यार एनसीपी या
Churchill also spoke about his daughter Valanka and her wish to contest from Navelim.
आमी वालांका सद्या ते काँग्रेसी आहा न्हू सद्याचे काँग्रेसी आहा ते अजून खंय पार्टी बसलो ना ते पूण टेन थिंग डिसिजन दिला आपण इंडिपेंडंट बस बसता म्हणून आमी 4-5 मिटींग घेयले थिंगा
रिस्पॉन्स
तुमी चल मरे प्रचार चलना कितें तुमी सांगपाचें स्पेशल ती क्वेश्चन्स म्हजे हाती आहलो ती ती म्हजी क्वेश्चन्स हाती आहली मागीर ती इव्हीएमाचेर आमी इलेक्शन आडवयलें आमकां खबर आहा ती जाल्यार ती हांवें प्रूफ करून दाखयला मागीर इलेक्शन जातरीच पोत्या आमकां ब्लुजीन पळयला पळय एकट्याक जातरी एकट्या डिविजनाक पोता आमकां इलेक्शन आनी बसयला ते जिखयला पोत तुमी दाखयलें म्हणटा हांवें सो तो लोक मुगडे आहा थिंगा
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Varka.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A new mutated form of the COVID-causing coronavirus, AY42, has caused panic in Europe. This variant is presumably more contagious than the Delta variant and is present in India in very low numbers. Scientists monitoring the variations in SARS-CoV-2 said. Here's more.
AY42 is suspected to be the cause for the exponential rise in COVID-19 cases in the UK, Israel, and Russia, which has announced a lockdown from next week. However, scientists say the AY42 related findings still carry a high level of uncertainty, and it is still early to say that this virus carries a higher risk of severe illness and death. India witnessed a single day rise of 16,326 new COVID-19 cases, taking the tally to 3,41,59,562, while the active cases have declined to 1,73,728, the lowest in 233 days. The government also released an advisory ahead of the major festivals like Diwali, Dhanteras, Eid next month for the commons, promoting online shopping and avoiding unnecessary travel to stop infection rates from spiraling. The government has also urged states and union territories to vaccinate those awaiting the second dose as soon as possible. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Now for the weather. The IMD has said that Goa might receive light to moderate rain and thunder showers at isolated places on 24th and 25th of October. Weather is very likely to be dry for the subsequent 3 days starting from 26th of October.
Haze and light fog is very likely in the morning at isolated places on the 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th and 28th October 2021. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 31 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. No warnings have been issued to fishermen for the next 5 days. Bureau Report with inputs from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.gaw365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Gaw365TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Gaw365TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Gaw365.